Agus is she prue and hid on my horella, Giadich.
Oh, hello, Colin. I'm afraid I can't speak proper Irish, but I am learning. Can I still play?
Well, strictly speaking, I do have to have the name of the vegetable in Irish.
I'll do my best.
Okay, let's play Name That Vegetable. Do you want to hear that again?
Please.
Take your time.
Is it a turnip? Torniper.
It is. It is a turnip. Tornipa. Cogarda haslat. Well, this week's prize is on its way over to you, together with a rollover prize from last week.
Wonderful. What is the prize?
Okay, Slán. That was depressing.
I got a feeling this is getting too easy.
The Dingo speaks a lingo.